Hi everyone. I just sniffed a little bit of Chhinkni in my nose. I don't feel much yet. Right now I feel it coming. I'm starting to itch. I think I'm gonna sneeze. I'm gonna sneeze. Oh, that was a big sneeze. I usually don't sneeze that loud. My nose is still itching. I think I'm gonna sneeze again. Still itching. I feel another sneeze coming on. Here it comes. I might sneeze again. It's gone now, but it's gonna come back, I know. I still itch. Oh, I can feel another one coming. Oh, it tickles. I'm gonna sneeze. Oh, that was a huge sneeze. It felt like my body just couldn't sneeze hard enough. I don't know if there's any more coming. It's starting to go away. Oh, I feel another one coming. I think I'm about to sneeze. Okay. Oh, that was a huge sneeze. Oh, my eyes are watering and my nose is running. I feel another sneeze building up. Oh, this one won't come out. This one's getting stuck. Oh. Oh. No, I don't think I'm going to sneeze again. Thanks.